Hello violin players, welcome to Prime Strings. I'm Henriette and in this lesson we are learning Nightingale. Nightingale is a good exercise for your fourth finger, so we're going to work your pinky lots and lots so you get really nice and strong at it. Will you join me playing it right from the beginning? 1 and 2 and... have noticed that this last note is 4 counts long. I'm counting it to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm counting it to 4 because in this piece I'm counting every quaver. So the beginning I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I think you might already know that a minim consists of 4 quavers. So at the end of each line we're going to have a super long note which is 4 beats long. Shall we try that again? And let's count to 4 on every single bar, shall we? Now for each quaver we're going to play a half bow, and we're going to play each crotchet with the whole bow and each minim also with the whole bow, but then we're going to play our bows more slowly. So we're going to try and do everything at once here, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole bow. Upper half. Whole bow. So if you've played it correctly, you've finished your 4-beat note here at the end at the point of the bow. Now let's practice a tricky section, shall we? And we're going to go from the middle of line 3, where the quavers begin, 4 quavers, starting on F sharp on line 3. So the last 2 bars of line 3 is what we're doing. 3, 4. So we're playing at the lower half of the bow here. And 2, 3, 4. Come on, let's do it one more time. So after 3 is a 1. Same bar again. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. improved greatly on this piece. Very good. Now this time we're going to start the beginning a little bit more quietly. You can see in your music it says sweetly over the top and it says softly, piano as well there. And then we're going to do little crescendos and diminuendos. You can see them perhaps in your music. I want you to change the dynamics in the last line of this piece. It says in my book mezzo forte, but we're going to play out loud. So we're going to give it a little bit more generous bowing from the beginning. And this time we're playing a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you notice I was using much longer bows in that last line? Shall we play the last line once again? This starts at the point of the bow, up bow, and you can almost use a whole bow for each quaver there to get your playing really loud. 3, 4. Wow, I'm impressed with that. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. If you have, please like it. And any questions or comments that you may have, do write them in the comments section below and I will get back to you. Goodbye.